Right, I'm at Newtown railway station, and you're not going to believe it, but finally they've had the bridge done, and also they've actually got a cafe, and it's called Platform 1. And as you can see, it's right up the main steps, and it's called Platform 1, and it's open Monday to Friday 7 till 5 p.m. and Saturday 8 to 2 p.m, which is brilliant because people have got nowhere at all to go when you're on the railway station for a cup of tea or toilets. And yes, amazing. So yeah, so they've come and done it. So I'm gonna have a quick look inside. Here we go. Nice heavy door with the pictures on the wall. So they've got toilets, which is good. I'll try and go slow and you can see it. Let's see it makes a bit more again. Yeah, it's nice and cosy, isn't it? Yeah, we've got toilets in here. What's that? Oh, staff home there. Yeah, so that looks really good. Nice comfy chairs there. Table. So activity timetable. Read it. Activities. Veterans Meet, Wellbeing Wednesdays, Senior Socials. Yeah. So the entrance is on the railway station, eh? Yeah. Okay. A nice little corner. Books and DVDs. A book swap as well. Looks very nice, doesn't it? Oh, cool. From the railway station. Sorry, this one.
I'm sure you will. You will like it, and we will come again. Often, hopefully.
Recipe swap. There's the books to read. I'm going to get bored. So yeah, so that's the. Like see, fans in the top as well. So yeah, so they just opened. So come and have a look. Right. Even more to it. So there you go, that's the inside. So yeah, come and have a look. Hope it does well, because we definitely need something like this here, especially people who are disabled, who are afraid of catching a train or on the way back. Always will get caught going to toilets, because there's no toilets around here unless you've got to go to McDonald's or Burger King. And like you say, nothing worse. Anyway, I just thought I'd show that off while I'm here, and yeah, catch you on the next bit. Bye for now.